Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to Rahnama Academy Shakot and YouTube channel at the rate Rana 4563. Dear viewers and my all students who are listening to my lecture on YouTube channel. Today lecture is for those candidates who wish to appear for Cadet Colleges anti-test exam, and this lecture is on science subject. Topic is human circulatory system. It's very important system in the human body, and normally question comes about this system in the Cadet Colleges science paper. My dear students, if you listen my this lecture carefully, you will easily understand the working of heart, and you can easily answer the questions if this question is set up about the circulatory system in human body by the Cadet Colleges. I'm talking about the science paper. Basically, in this system, blood is circulated to all parts of the body, and definitely it returns back to the heart also. We will discuss how it is circulated to the body and how it is collected back by the heart. But it is just introductory words. In the introduction, I'm just talking. If definition is given in the paper, what is the circulatory system, you can define very simply the circulation of blood to whole parts of the body through by heart. It is the blood circulatory system. Just defining in simple way and writing down the definition of the circulatory system, you can simply define this. Now, how this circulation is possible, how blood is circulated in the body. Remember, Allah Almighty has blessed us with the heart, and this heart is a muscular organ which plays double action. If we see its internal and external structure, it is four chambered. For conveniently understanding or for easy perceiving about the heart, this heart is divided into four chambers. Two chambers are on the upper side, which are thin walled and small in size. Those are atria. And there are two chambers in the lower side, which are relatively large in size and thick walled, and they are known as ventricles. Remember, this heart is enclosed in a thick membrane. My dear students, when blood is circulated through arteries and it returns back to heart or receives back to heart by veins. Arteries always carry the oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood means rich in oxygen. And veins always carry the deoxygenated blood, mean with less oxygen or almost without oxygen. But it is contrary when this blood is sent or pushed out from the heart towards the lungs. then role of vein and artery becomes opposite. I will tell you further in detail how it happens, starting from the right auricle. Right auricle receives deoxygenated blood through veins, two veins, upper vena cava, lower vena cava, mean through these two large veins this blood is received by right auricle. Auricle always receives oxygenated blood. No, sorry, deoxygenated blood. Auricle here we can divide this portion into left side as well as right side. Left side consists of left auricle, left ventricle. Similarly, right side consists of right auricle, right ventricle. Left ventricle is basically, if you see where this heart is located, it is under second and seventh rib of the chest, and left side is slightly towards the center, is towards the left side from the center of the chest. So that's why normally we get confused that heart is on the left side of the chest. So it is due to large size of the left ventricle and slight bending of the heart towards left side from the center of the chest. This thing is, we perceive like this, as I mentioned. Now, deoxygenated blood is received by the right auricle through veins, upper vena cava, lower vena cava, and this blood is pushed towards the right ventricle. Remember, there are valves between auricle and ventricle. These valves let the blood to flow in one direction from auricle to ventricle, not in opposite direction. Now blood has pushed from right auricle to right ventricle, and now this blood is to be pushed out from heart towards the lungs, and this blood will be carried out by pulmonary artery. This is the place where artery is carrying deoxygenated blood. This blood will be sent towards the lungs, and from the lungs this blood will get rich with the oxygen from the inhaled air, the air which we have inhaled. From that air it will get the oxygen, will become rich with oxygen, and then it will be returned back or carried back to the heart through pulmonary vein. Now this is the place where vein is carrying oxygenated blood, mean blood with oxygen. Normally veins carry deoxygenated blood, mean without oxygen, and arteries carry oxygenated blood, means with oxygen blood. Now this blood will be received by left auricle, and definitely this blood will be pushed towards the left ventricle, and left ventricle will send this blood to all parts of the body, to the upper side and lower side through aorta, that is the main artery. Through arteries, this oxygenated blood will be sent to all parts of the body, to whole body. including upper portion, lower portion. The lower portion including liver, digestive system, kidneys, legs, etc. Then this blood will reach to capillaries, and again the oxygen will be utilized in oxidation process. Mean this oxygen will oxidize the food in order to get energy for performing various functions by organ system in the body. Now this oxygen has been utilized by the food. Now again it will be sent back to the heart through veins, and this process continues. My dear students, one time relaxation and one time contraction of the heart. This is what the heartbeat. If there is a question to define heartbeat, so heartbeat is one time contraction and relaxation of the heart, and pressure being built as a result of this heartbeat is the pulse. So very simply, in simple words, you can define this whole blood circulatory system in the human being. Now we will inshallah discuss about detailed function of artery, veins and their structure in the next lecture. Hopefully you might have understood, and inshallah you will get benefit from these lectures. Wishing you all the best. Thank you to all. Assalamu alaikum.